You like their hair color. You like their hair color. You don't actually have to like their hair color. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking icebreakers, and I did mention in a previous video that it's really important you get your client or clients comfortable before a shoot. So let's dive in. The first thing is definitely going to be get to know the person's name. I did talk about this in a previous video where you can't forget the name, because I used to always, listen to the name and then I'd go, oh, ooh, I forgot their name, and then you don't know what to call them and it's awkward and rude, and then vice versa, let them know your name. So right off the bat, you're communicating great. So now these things are going to be very basic, but communication, eye contact, and listening skills are going to be so important, because there's just no way to go about having a conversation and, an afternoon with someone if you can't have those things. So eye contact, always look at them when they're talking to you. Don't be in your camera bag while they're talking to you and you go, yeah. That just seems disrespectful, and you're not interacting with them. You're just like, here's my stuff. I'm here for the business I'm into, whatever, and that's it. I'm gonna do this and leave. You don't want to seem like that. You want to make it more of a welcoming experience so that they come back, they refer you to other people. So eye contact. Listening skills. When they tell you those things, even if you're looking and then you're daydreaming, about your grocery list, well, that's not going to help you, because when you do have to talk back or answer what they're asking, you're not going to know what they were talking about. So listening skills. And then communication, just you knowing how to talk to people. So these are things that I can't teach you in one video, but just know that you have to have those three things. So now into the icebreakers. So the easiest thing you can do is compliment what they're wearing, or what they brought for the shoot. It could be a pair of shoes that they have in their hand. Oh wow, those are gorgeous. Where do you get them? Start a conversation about it. Oh, I like your hair. Where do you get it done? Do you recommend the place? Did you have a good experience? Maybe there's a gentleman that came in for pictures and he has a jersey on. Oh, you like that team, whatever, I don't know, sports. And then you talk about that. Anything that you can physically kind of just compliment right off the bat when you first meet the person is already going to get you one step into breaking the ice. Honestly, it doesn't even have to be something, not that you're lying, but it doesn't have to be completely truthful. Like, let's say the hairdo. You like their hair color. You like their hair color. You don't actually have to like their hair color. It does not matter. If you say, oh, I love that color. Let's say she has red hair. I love that hue. Do you know the brand that they used or where you got it done? I'd love to. I don't know. I was thinking of doing something with my hair. I will never do anything to my hair, ever. But you know what? It caught their attention. We started talking. It was an interesting conversation. So it works. You tell someone that you like that sports team and you're planning on going to the next game. They're not going to stalk you and look and make sure that you actually went to the sports game. But talk about it, They'll get more animated and they'll be more open. Talking about compliments, when you're actually taking pictures, even if you're not 100% set on, I love this photo, this is the one, we're done, right? You still go, as you're shooting, you're taking pictures, and you go, wow, that one's gorgeous. Yeah, I love what you're doing with your hair. Show them the picture, zoom in if you can. I love this, we should definitely do more like that. And even if there's something wrong with the picture, like maybe the facial expression wasn't that relaxed, it was kind of like, oh, even if it wasn't perfect, you still show them and they feel more confident. They're like, oh, I'm doing this right. And then they get more relaxed, and little by little, then you go, oh, there we go. That's the face I wanted. But you don't go, oh yeah, this one's nice, but the face you're making, it's just stiff, it's awkward. We're gonna not do that, because again, that's rude. And then they're just gonna close up more. It's just gonna be a clam. You're not gonna be able to open them up, and it's just gonna go downhill from there. This goes for, if you guys don't know, I rent my studio. So this goes for my studio rentals, and when I actually have photo shoots, people tend to think they're annoying. So either they actually say, oh, I don't want to be annoying, and then continue on the sentence, or they say, oh, I'm sorry, would you mind if, so they feel annoying because they ask so many questions or they ask for too many things. So I always make sure, I assure them, you are not being annoying. This is nothing compared to, and then just make up something. So I always get, when I'm renting my studio, they go, oh, hey, I'm so sorry, I don't want to be annoying, but can you help me bring down the paper? I don't want that color, I want this color. And I go, don't worry about it. Call me every time you need. There's people that call me 5 times in the same session, whatever. And then they feel more like, oh, really? Okay, I'm so sorry. I thought I was being annoying. No, don't worry. That's what I'm here for. You know, you want to assure them that you're not just like, yeah, it's fine. Don't worry about it. You know, you want to have a good attitude about it. No, don't worry about it. This is my job. I love helping. You know, anything I can do for you. So you just open up that confidence. So when it comes to shoots, you're taking pictures and they go, oh, I like that one. Like you're showing them the pictures. I like that one, but oh, my hair, I don't know. And you've been there taking pictures, the same picture maybe, the same pose for 10 minutes, and they still don't like their hair or their face, or I don't know, maybe they have belly fat and they're just not liking it. Make sure that they don't feel like they're being a nuisance, that they're being annoying, you know. You have to go, oh, no, don't worry about it. I totally understand. And, you know, laugh it off. Keep taking the same damn pose until they like the picture. As you're taking pictures, you are going to want to have some conversation. Maybe they can't talk because they have to hold a pose, so they're not going to be like, right? You're not going to understand what they're saying. You're not going to be able to have a conversation, and then you're not going to get good pictures either. So it's not going to work. But what you can do while you're taking pictures of them is tell them a story, you know, an anecdote, something. And you're like, oh yeah, well, last week I went to, oh, move your chin up. I went to the supermarket, and can you believe that this lady, whatever, gossip, a story, jokes, whatever you can think of, just have them on hand. And then when you're taking pictures of them, you can bring those out. As soon as you expect them to answer you, you put the camera down, you let them answer, you're like, oh, look at these pictures. They continue answering your question or telling their story, you know, that relates to yours. They might even start laughing midway through your funny story or through your joke, and you get a candid of them smiling or of them laughing, you know, and that's always great. You never know how your client's going to react to certain stories, so don't start off with something super sad or super awkward or super intimate. You know, obviously keep it to something you would talk to anybody about on the street, because yes, they're coming into your studio or your home, or you're going into their home, and it feels like intimate, but you just met this person. Once you've gotten them a little more settled in, they are laughing, they're joking around with you, they're telling you stories, that's it. You've got it. You've broken the ice. You are officially there and you're connecting. That's fantastic. And so just keep going, keep doing that through the end of your photo shoot. And you're going to want to keep the compliments coming. If you like the pictures, how they're coming out, oh, this one's going to be great. This one would be great printed, advertise yourself. This one would look great printed in a frame, whatever. Just make them feel, woo, like I'm a model, you know, and these are regular people. You make them feel beautiful or handsome. All right, guys, so that about wraps it up. If I do think of any more, I will be doing a part 2 to this. So like down below and I will definitely come up with some more. But these are the ones that I use. They've been working for years, so definitely try them out. Don't forget to leave a like down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.